Welcome to Drawleaper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to enable or disable developer mode in your Samsung Galaxy S24 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to settings app. From here scroll all the way down and then go to about phone. From here scroll down a bit and then go to software information. Now from here you can see build number, and to enable developer mode first you have to tap 7 times on build number. Now just do it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and then enter your pin and then tap on continue and it's done. Now if you go back here at the bottom you can see developer mode has been enabled. Now if you want to disable developer mode, go to same settings again, then go to developer options. Now just tap here to disable developer mode and it's done. Now developer mode has been disabled, and that is how you can enable or disable developer option in your Samsung Galaxy S24 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.